energy you send out, return. Every vibe you send out, it a circle back. Guard your mind, keep clean, stay on the right track. Life full of wonder, blessings never lack. Faith builds strength like stone, solid and intact. Patience are key, just breathe and wait. Prayer live solid, open gate. Live with purpose, meditate. Goodness your plans, something you create. Me step with calm, me shift the air. Me heart stay bright, me spirit clear. Them fling out shade, me not compare. Me move with peace, me carry care. Me rise each dawn, me center mind. Me focus sharp, me truth align. Me walk through trials, me still refine. Me own me joy, me guard me sign. Me not send wrath, me not send spite. Me choose good thoughts, me choose the light. Me plant pure seeds, then grow up bright. My destiny firm, my future bright. Everybody you send out, it a circle back. Guard your mind, keep clean, step on the right track. Life full of wonder, blessings never lack. Faith builds strength like stone, solid and intact. Patience are key, just breathe and wait. Prayer live solid, open gate. Live with purpose, meditate. Goodness you plant, same thing you create. Them talk, them guess what truth reveal. My energy pure, my soul surreal. My time each step, me spin the wheel. My eyes to stand, I never kneel. My hold my calm, my guard my tone. My build go path, my stand alone. My mind stay rooted like ancient stone. My spirit glow, my fully grown. My send out love, it come back strong. My chant my words, my right, my wrong. My keep my pace, my journey long. My heart beat steady like sacred song. Oh, everybody you send out, it's a miracle back. Guard your mind, keep clean, stay on the right track. Life full of wonder, blessings never lack. Faith builds strength like stone, solid and intact. Patience are key, just breathe away. Pray live so it don't get. Live with purpose, meditate. Goodness your plans, something you can write. Me not chase nice, me not chase crowd. My spirit speak, my voice stay loud. My walk with ghosts, me stand on bold. My thoughts stay clean, my mind unclosed. My rise each day, my push to grow. My trust the path, me let life flow. My hold my beast, me keep it slow. My plan good deeds, them overflow. Me say no truth, me say no blind. My guard my soul, my hold it tight. My future shine, my steps unite. Good energy return, everything right. Every vibe you send out, it a circle back. Guard your mind, keep clean, stay by the right track. Life's full of wonder, blessings never hack. Faith builds strength like stone, solid and intact. Patience are key, just breathe away. Prayer live solid, open gate. Live with purpose, meditate. Goodness your plans, something you create.